Hi, I'm John Miles from Jim's Mowing, and today we're going to show you how to prepare a new vegetable garden and plant some different varieties of lettuces. So this is our veggie mix soil that we've ordered. Veggie mix soil has a blend of soil and organic matter which is designed specifically for growing vegetables. You can order this from your local garden supplies in bulk or in bag quantities. So in preparation for planting, we're just going to loosen up the soil a little bit so it's not too compacted. So now we're just going to add a little bit more organic fertiliser just to give it so the plant's got a little bit more food as it establishes itself. Mix it into the soil a bit. So today we're going to plant some cos lettuce and some rocket. Before we transplant them into the veggie box, we're just going to water them a little bit so it makes them a little bit easier to break up. When you come to take them out of the container, what you want to do is just tip it upside down gently. And then what I like to do is break it in half. Okay, and then slowly break it into fours. And then you can sort of place them where you want them in the garden as you're going along. Just divide them up gently so you don't cause any root damage. So you don't want to cause too much root damage because that'll put them into a little bit of shock. With spacing, it's no rule. It's no rule. It's just whatever you feel comfortable with. So here we've got a little bit of room to make two nice rows. So we're probably going to space them about 15 centimetres apart. If you've got not quite as much space, you can grow them a little bit closer, it won't hurt. When it comes to planting, all you need to do, you can get a little shovel. I always use my hands, just because I like the soil, I like the feel of the soil, I've got more control. So just make a little hole so what you want to do is you don't want to cover the crown of the plant too much. So the crown being the base of the plant. So place it in, just hold it up, just sort of compact the soil around it. Be as gentle as you can, so not to cause too much shock to the plant. So again, little hole, deep enough to get the plant in, a little bit of soil, push it around. So after planting, you would give it a good watering, but the soil's fairly moist and we've been still in winter and it's nice and moist. So what we're going to do is just water it in with a little bit of liquid fertiliser. So we're just going to measure it out. This is an eco weed. So we just put in 1 measuring spoon into 9 litres of water. And then what this will help do is it'll give it a quick little tonic. So a liquid fert, give it a nice little tonic, and will help with root shock. So it'll establish the plant, help to establish the plant a little bit quicker. And then another good idea is to keep your labels. If you're planting multiple vegetables, so you don't forget what you've planted, you can just sort of put the tag close by in whatever you've grown. After you've finished planting and you've given them a watering in, the next few things you just got to be wary of is you want to make sure you keep the soil nice and moist. It's not so bad in the winter because you're going to get a lot of rain, so just keep an eye on what's going on. If we're not getting a lot of rain, check if the soil's moist. You don't want them to dry out. The other thing, that liquid fertiliser we used, every couple of weeks just give it a nice little feed of liquid fert. That'll help to grow and get a bit more growth going on. And in about this time of the year, it's a cooler time of the year, but in about 8 to 12 weeks, you should start to get a crop where you can start picking lettuce leaves. You can pick them as you need them. They're really a lot more flavour in them than the ones you're buying from the shop, and the satisfaction you've grown it yourself. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.